a new morning begins for the Brown family.
Mom, we saw the best toy on TV last night.
Look, Jack. Look at that toy on TV. I want that. I want it so much. Dad, can we please have it? Please.
Tell me about this toy. What makes it so special?
Let's see how much it costs. Can you find it?
Whoa, that is a lot of money.
Can we please have it, Dad?
You want it? Then you have to earn it.
Earn? What does earn mean?
Earn means you work. You do something helpful. Then you get paid.
Wait, I have an idea. A lemonade stand. We can make lemonade and sell it.
That is a great idea.
A lemonade stand. Now that is an idea.
The Brown family had a plan. Tomorrow, everything would change. The next morning, Sophia went to the kitchen.
Lemons! We need lemons! Ooh!
Okay, what do we need to make lemonade?
Sugar, we need this.
And water! Very important!
Our sign is ready!
Good sign. Let me see.
Right there! That is the perfect spot. Press and twist. Good. Keep going, Anna.
I'm making the best lemonade in the world.
More sugar. I know what to do.
Perfect!
So, how much should you charge for one cup?
$2. Each cup costs $2.
$2. Interesting.
Ready? We are open for business.
Customer, look professional.
Lemonade. Fresh lemonade. $2, please. Why do they say no?
I don't know.
Why doesn't anybody want it?
Oh, a lemonade stand. How wonderful. How much is 1 cup of lemonade?
$2, please. It is very good lemonade.
$2 is a little expensive for a cup of lemonade, sweetheart. But I will take one anyway. You two are working very hard.
Our first real sale.
You tried today. That already makes me proud.
That evening, the family sat together at the kitchen table.
Tell me, what do you think went wrong today?
Nobody wanted it. Nobody bought it.
Wait, the lady said our price was too high.
Good thinking, Anna. That is exactly right.
3 important words. Ready?
What is cost?
Cost is what you spent. Lemons, 1. Sugar, 2. Cups, 3.
And price? What is the difference?
Price is what you ask, but the customer decides if it is fair.
So we asked too much. The people said no because our price was too high.
So the customer decides?
Exactly right, Anna. The customer always decides what is fair.
And the last one, what is profit?
Profit is what is left over after costs. That is your happy money.
I thought some milk and cookies might help the thinking.
Yay, thank you!
New plan. First, lower the price.
Old price, gone. New price, better.
And I am making it look more beautiful.
Now that is a better sign. Well done, both of you.
And remember, always smile. A smile is free, and it is worth a lot.
Tomorrow we try again, and this time we will do better.
The next morning arrived, warmer and more hopeful.
Careful, not too much sugar this time.
Everything perfect.
Everything perfect. Good morning, lemonade, cold and fresh. Come try.
50 cents?
That is really good. The lemonade here is amazing. You have to try it.
Oh, really? I think I will.
2 at once. 2 at once.
1 lemonade, please.
We'll take 2, please.
Great business.
Anna, look. It's almost all gone. We almost sold out.
This is the very last cup. I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. 50 cents, $1, $1.50.
Look at that. Look at all of it.
The whole family, for something this important. Each one has a very important job.
Why do I give my money away? I worked for it.
The save jar grows. You don't touch it. One day it becomes something big.
And the spend jar, that's where the toy money lives.
The give jar is the most important one. It is for people who need help more than we do.
1 for save, 1 for spend, 1 for give.
1 for save, 1 for spend, 1 for give.
Coin by coin, the 3 jars began to fill.
And the total in the spend jar is...
Yes, that's enough. We can buy it.
There it is. There's the toy. 50 cents, $1, $1.50, $2.
You earned this.
This feels even better than the toy.
Money comes from creating value for other people, and the Brown family never forgot that lesson.